This morning we had the unveiling and blessing of the Nohonga bench design competition. They'll be here for approximately 4 weeks or so, and then they will be transported and installed in Brick Bay for at least the summer. So look forward to everyone getting up there and having a look and engaging with the respective pieces when they were designed to be sat. Oh, they're fantastic. The scale of them is outstanding, and there's a lot of work and a lot of energy and a lot of really curious design thinking has gone into their production. And as with all of these design competitions, you get such a variety of responses. A lot of vibrant colours, but then there's a lot of subtlety in some of the forms that have been produced. Here we are on the podium of Takatai Square, which sits above the Britomart Train Centre. The hiccup was that the piece that was designed in its vision was one size, but in the fabrication it got bigger and bigger with the opportunities that arose. It was in the realms of 7 tonnes, which is going to really test the structural integrity of this podium, and we didn't want any nohona falling down on the EMUs underneath us in the railway. So a real shame that they weren't able to be here, but it's on its way directly to Brick Bay, so it's pretty exciting.